Hello, I'm here from the English Club. In this lesson, we're going to talk about fruits. You want to learn some new words related to fruits? If your answer is yes, keep watching. If your answer is no, well, you can just change the video to something else. But why would you do that? This video is awesome. I know because I made it. Let's get started with our vocabulary. The first word is fruit. Fruit is the general word for the sweet and fleshy products of trees and plants that contain seeds and can be eaten as food. We say that a fruit is juicy if it contains a lot of liquid or juice. It has a soft texture, and it can be eaten raw. Juicy fruits are usually very refreshing, especially when it's hot outside. Think of watermelon and think of how good it is in the summertime. Watermelon is an example of a juicy fruit. The opposite of juicy is dry. Dry fruits don't have any juice. They're not as tasty as juicy fruits. Examples of dry fruits are nuts and grains. Another word is ripe. When we say that a fruit is ripe, we mean that it's ready to be picked and eaten. An unripe fruit is a fruit that has not yet reached the stage when it's ready to be picked. An overripe fruit is the opposite of an unripe fruit. It's a fruit that has been left on the tree or plant for too long, and it starts rotting away. Rotten fruits are usually very soft, and they have a bad smell. What does the word peel mean? You probably know the answer. Yes, it means the covering of something. For example, the peel of an orange or a banana. It's the thin layer that covers the fruit. And what do we call the soft, wet part inside the peel? The flesh. The flesh of a fruit is the part that people usually eat. Some fruits have a stone or pit in the middle of the flesh. It's hard, and inside the stone or pit, there's a small, hard, roundish thing called a seed. Seeds are very important because all the fruits and vegetables that we eat came from seeds. And the last word is harvest. It's the time when farmers gather ripe fruits, vegetables, grains, etc. from the fields. In other words, it's the time when we pick the fruits from the trees. Now that you know these new words, try to use them in a sentence. You can write the sentences in the comments section below. Don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss the next videos. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.